Welcome to CodeyLabs. Today, we're introducing the Dynamic Rich Text Editor, a powerful tool that enables you to create dynamic, branded documents directly within Salesforce. Whether it's contracts, proposals, or agreements, you can instantly generate professional documents tailored to your needs. In this demo, we'll showcase how easily you can configure and use the Dynamic Rich Text Editor to generate internship offers and master service agreements. Let's begin by walking through the configuration of the Internship Offer document template. Here, you can define the structure, dynamic fields, and formatting to ensure the document reflects your company's branding. With just a few clicks, we'll have the template ready to generate offers instantly. Now that the template is configured, let's see how quickly we can generate an internship offer for Partho Ghosh. With just a click, we can populate the document with dynamic content, including details like the 3-month internship at CodeyLabs. It's fast, seamless, and ensures consistency every time. Not only can you quickly generate an internship offer, but you can also configure templates for other documents like a master service agreement or any document that pulls data from within Salesforce. With the Dynamic Rich Text Editor, the process is flexible, allowing you to create customized documents for any business need in just a few steps. Imagine CodeyLabs has just entered a new contract to provide professional services to ABC Incorporated. Time is critical, and the master service agreement needs to be generated and shared quickly for processing and signing. With the Dynamic Rich Text Editor, we can pull the necessary details from Salesforce and instantly generate the agreement, ensuring it's ready for ABC Incorporated to review and sign, all in a matter of minutes. If this tool fits your needs, reach out to us at codeylabs@gmail.com to get your copy of the Dynamic Rich Text Editor today. Streamline your document generation and take your business to the next level with CodeyLabs.